invitation and giving her utmost important time to us for giving us the knowledge regarding public speaking. I'm very thankful to her. And now it's a time to introduce our speaker, Ms. Priyanka Nizhawan. Ms. Priyanka Nizhawan is a teacher by profession and a student by passion and a trainer by a choice. She started her career as a coordinator, as an assistant coordinator, and she has also traveled to various schools of USA and also studied the UK education system and brought back the era of teaching techniques that can be put in Indian scenario. She has trained the various teachers and principals at various venues, and IIT Delhi being one of them. So the list goes very very long because she's a gem of a person. Means मैं कितना भी बोलूँ it's totally कम होगा वो, इसलिए मैं without any delay I just want to invite Miss Priyanka to commence the event Rhetoric 101. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Simran, for such kind words. And good afternoon to everybody. It's an opportunity, and I would like to thank the team for inviting me, for giving me this platform so that I can talk to so many of you today. And I'm really happy. I'm thrilled to see the number, and I was just going through the list of the participants, and some of the names are quite familiar. And I'm very happy. I can't stop smiling looking at the names. So thank you, Simran, for this wonderful introduction and telling me that we have a variety of people from variety of fields. So we have students, we have teachers, we have principals, we have entrepreneurs. Great. So a lot of people, feel free to ask questions and feel free to put in your comments, opinions, and experiences. I will be happy to read them after the session. And thank you so much. And not wasting much of the time now, let's begin with the session. So basically, I would be sharing a little PPT that doesn't require any infographics because I would be speaking much. So you can note down the points if you want. But basically, when I was told that ma'am, you're supposed to do this webinar and do this session, and I was told that ma'am, on what thing would you like to speak? So I thought that because I was told that a lot of college students are going to join us, so I thought of talking about the need of the hour, which is how to speak in public confidently and without any hesitation. And I know this age is the age where you want to do so many things, but sometimes you feel a little hesitant while speaking or expressing and anything. And I know most of you would be quite a confident speaker. So now, without any further delays, I would like to request the host to give me the right to share my screen side by side if I can. Great, I can. Thank you. Okay. So a quick check. Is my screen visible? Can somebody help me with that?
It's still not visible. Just it has started sharing, but we are not visible with that. It's a black screen. For right now, it's black only.
Okay. Let me see. Why is it so? Maybe some lagging behind. Okay, till the time it shares, let me start. So first of all, first step, this is going to be a step-by-step guide. I've tried and I would be thinking that this is going to be somewhere helpful to everybody, each one of you. So I think it's network lagging here because I can see my own screen. Okay, hang on. Yeah, so all right, let me begin. First of all, I would like to ask you people, I mean, you can put it in the chat box, that do you think ऐसा सिर्फ मेरे साथ है? पहली बात, we'll be using both the languages because कहीं ना कहीं we feel
it's visible now. It's visible now. Thank you.
Great. So I would like to ask you, um, oops. Sir, can you stop the annotation from your end?
It's already stopped. I have already done it.
Thank you. Now, if you're going to do that, how am I going to start with it? Okay.
Sure. Let me do it just a second. Let me do
No
it.
problem.
I'll stop.
No problem. Uh, so, okay. So, I want to ask you, do we have any barriers as far as the language is concerned? So the first thing I feel, जब हम लोग यहाँ पर बात करते हैं इंग्लिश की, अगर कोई इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा है, so we feel, oh good, that speaker must be quite intelligent, you know, he's speaking in English. On the other hand, we have desi people like me coming up and speaking in Hindi. अगर आप किसी और वेबिनार में शायद मुझे देखो और मुझे हिंदी बोलते सुनो तो शायद आप मुझे कहो नहीं नहीं यार, she is not that good, सारा टाइम तो हिंदी में बोल रही है. So somewhere or the other we are judging people over the language, what I feel. So one first important thing here we want to talk about is that we are not here to judge any language, right? Every language is respectable. वो चाहे आपकी वर्नाक्युलर लैंग्वेज हो, वर्नाक्युलर लैंग्वेज से मेरा मतलब है आपकी अपनी मदर टंग, और या फिर हिंदी हो या फिर इंग्लिश हो. सो एवरी लैंग्वेज इज रिस्पेक्टेबल एंड वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू से कि you know we are going to particularly you know talk about in one language only. French is equally respectable. So talking about this and then coming to the English language, which is like the barrier, जो हमेशा हम लोगों के दिमाग में ये जजमेंटल एरिया रहता है that you know somebody is speaking in English, he's intelligent, somebody is fluent enough, he's from a fluent family, or he's from a well-to-do family. It's nothing like that. You can't just have barriers over it. कई बार हमने देखा होगा अगर कोई I remember when I was working in a school, तो वहाँ पर मेरी assistant थी who was from Russia. So I asked her a question ऐसे generally, so how are you enjoying India? So she said, मुझे बहुत मजा आता, खाना अच्छा लगता, and I like it. So we were like, oh my god, she's so cute, look at the way she's speaking.
Looking at the names. So thank you so much.
Bablu sir, can you please mute yourself? Thank you so much. So she was into this, and we were like, oh my god, she's so cute, she speaks such nice Hindi and she's trying so hard. But on the contrary, if we have somebody from eastern part of India or from southern India, so you see there is an accent change. और अगर वो हमारे सामने आते हैं और वो गलत ग्रामर में इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, so we say, oh my god, they don't even know this. So what are we doing? Somewhere we are critically negative towards our own people, जहाँ पर language की बात आती है, जहाँ पे English की बात आती है. So I think that has to be taken care of. So पहली चीज, पहले मेरे यहाँ पे जितने भी speakers हैं और जितने भी मेरे participants हैं, मैं उनसे I just want to ask them to do this. Your videos are all off. I can't see a lot of people here, but some of you I can see. So I just want you to do one thing with me. That's pat on your back. Everyone, if you can see me, just give yourself a pat at your back, because this is the first step that you have taken in started to speak in English. So started to speak, publicly. So everyone, I can see you here. Give yourself a pat at the back. Great job, good job, well done. Thank you, Vanshika. I can see Vanshika being so happy and giving herself a pat. Yes. So the first step here is that हमने अपना पहला कदम बढ़ाया अपने लिए इम्प्रूवमेंट के लिए, अपनी इम्प्रूवमेंट करने के लिए. So that's one thing, right? Second thing, हमेशा सोच के चलो, अगर इंग्लिश में गलती हो रही है, we are not the native speakers, right? हम लोगों की भाषा नहीं है ये. हम लोग एक नई भाषा में बात कर रहे हैं, हम लोग एक नई भाषा सीख रहे हैं. So अगर गलती होती है, अगर grammatical errors होते हैं, it's okay, no big deal. हमें सल्क नहीं करना है. Second thing, अभी everyone with me, you are going to do this. Be proud of yourself. That's what you're going to talk about whenever you are speaking in English, whenever you are there, talking to anybody. Just in your mind, you should be proud of yourself. Why? So because we are multilinguals. एक बात हमेशा हर इंसान यहाँ पे, I have 90 people here with me, everybody should take care, everyone should take this in their heart, that you people, you just don't know one language. So when I went to other parts of the country, other parts of the world, I realized that जो बच्चे हैं ना वहाँ पे बड़ा आसान होता है उनके लिए, because वो पढ़ भी अपनी ही लैंग्वेज में रहे होते हैं, वो अपने मामा पापा से भी अपनी ही लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे होते हैं, वो अपने टीचर से भी अपनी एक ही लैंग्वेज में बात कर रहे होते हैं. So the whole school, the whole scenario, they all know one language. But we Indians, we're multilinguists. I mean, imagine such a big thing. A multilingual word क्या होता है? Multilingual is people who know more than 2 languages. हम लोगों के केस में क्या है? We Indians, we are talking, we are studying or we are learning in a different language, because आपका mathematics, आपका social science, you go and you do your BSc, your books there, everything is in English. So you're studying in a different language. You are speaking with your parents in a different language. I'm sure हर किसी की mother tongue अलग है. We have a different language. We have a different dialect. अपने friends से अलग language में बात करते हैं. अपने teachers से अलग language में बात करते हैं. So you have Hindi. You already know Hindi. You know English, and then your own mother tongue, be it Punjabi, be it Marathi, be it Malayalam, whatever language is your mother tongue. So good. So best part is that we are multilinguist and we are proud of it, right? So now that's the first step. Everyone needs to have this confidence, needs to have this thing that yes, we people know a lot of things better than others. Coming to the second thing is making mistakes. अब क्या होता है हम लोग, because we are trying to learn a new language, we are studying a new language, so गलतियां होती हैं, मेरे से भी होती हैं. I mean, till date I make such blunders and I make mistakes which are like, I feel like क्यों कहा मैंने ऐसा, या मैंने क्यों ऐसे कर दिया. So then I give myself quick advice. It's okay, no problem. We need to have room for mistakes. So our second point here, the second step here, is making room. So you're making room in your brain, you're making room for your mistakes, right? It's okay to make mistakes. You are growing, you are evolving. आप कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप में improvement कर रहे हैं. So a small little again example. See, मैं अपने बच्चों को ऐसी बातें नहीं बताती, because I'm a teacher. Also, so when I deal with my kids, so मैं हवा में बातें नहीं करूंगी, या मैं कोई ऐसी स्टडीज ढूंढ के नहीं लाऊंगी, स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा के हिसाब से मैं आपको टिप्स नहीं दूंगी. मैं अपनी टिप्स अपने लाइफ से देखती हूँ. अगर मैं बोल सकती हूँ तो आई थिंक इस दुनिया में कोई भी बोल सकता है. If I can be fluent in a new language, anybody can be. So I would like to give a small little example from my life. It happened like a few years back only. It's not like बहुत दिन पहले की बात है. So I went to this wedding, my family function, a cousin's wedding. So there was this lady, a very well groomed, very sophisticated lady. So I know this lady because she was a family friend. So she just came to me all dressed up, looking very pretty. And this lady, I'm talking, she was in her 60s. She was a senior citizen. So now she had this gray silver locks, all packed up in a bun, and looking extremely gorgeous in her way. And she came up to me because she knew also, she had we exchanged the greetings and hi, hello, and this and that. So and then she said, oh, Priyanka, you look beautiful. So I was overwhelmed, and I was feeling happy. Look, such a sophisticated lady, and she gave me this wonderful compliment. So I said, all right, not less than you. And now I get this reaction. She said, oh, okay, bye. And then she went away. And मुझे समझ नहीं आया. She was supposed to say thank you. मैंने भी उसको भी compliment दिया. मैंने ऐसा क्या कहा? That she went away, and with this such a reaction. And then I realized, oh God, मुझे बोलना था less than you or not more than you, और मैंने क्या बोला? Not less than you. So such a big blunder, such a big mistake. मतलब मैंने उसको ये बोला कि मैडम आपसे तो कम नहीं लग रही, आपसे तो अच्छी लग रही. So imagine such a immodest compliment. I mean such a immodest comment I gave it to her. So that was like a big blunder. And all the wedding I was like, oh my God, what did I do? I don't even know the language. अब इसमें क्या होता है? So then I realized कि अब मैं सारा टाइम सल्क करती रहूंगी, इवेंचुअली क्या होगा, घर जाके मैं रोऊंगी और मैं सोचूंगी यार मेरे को लैंग्वेज नहीं बोलनी आ रही, मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस शैटर हो जाएगा. So what are we doing? These are steps जो आपका कॉन्फिडेंस शैटर करते हैं. आप you're downgrading yourself. So I thought no, I'm not going to do this. I'm going to go. मैं गई वहां पर, बुफे लगा हुआ था. So I went there and I had an ice cream. So they were serving butterscotch, strawberry, and blackcurrant. 3 flavors were out there. So I thought, let me freeze this mistake. So what I did, this is a regular ritual that I do. So I love butterscotch. I mean, that's my favorite flavor. I can leave everything for butterscotch ice cream. But so when I went there, I did not choose the butterscotch flavor. I chose the blackcurrant one because I hate that. So I had 2 spoons of that ice cream. Froze my mistake. I thought of that mistake eating that ice cream. So मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? मेरा ice cream time है whenever I do some kind of mistakes. So I eat an ice cream and I freeze that mistake. और वो मैंने जो room बनाया ना, remember second rule, make a room. So मैंने जो brain में room बनाया, उसके अंदर I kept that memory, frozen memory inside there. So next time the same situation will come, that frozen memory is going to come out from that room, and मैं उसको situation में I'll make sure कि मैं वो use ना करूं, and it will melt away. So what did I do? So मैंने अपनी गलती करी. I know मैंने एक बहुत बड़ा blunder कर दिया as far as the language is concerned. So I'm not sulking over. मैं sulk नहीं करूंगी. I'll put that in that mistake in that room. So as speakers, because you people are learners, अभी आपका I think first step है, you have long way to go. So never ever, every time, whenever you do some mistake, have this ice cream time. अभी अब pandemic चल रहा है and I don't want you to compromise on your immunity. So आप इसकी जगह ना घिया तोरी time कर लेना. So ice cream time की जगह you have घिया, you have tori, you have tinde, you have all the bad sabjis. That day you are going to say, okay, fine, I'm going to eat this vegetable and I'm going to put my mistake in that frozen room. And next time जब वो situation आएगी, वो frozen memory लाऊंगी और I'll make sure that I don't repeat that. So अभी तक मेरी वो memory frozen है, melt नहीं हुई है. So I'm waiting for that situation to come. या ऐसी कोई situation आए, somebody compliments me and I say, oh, I'm not more than you. And then the other person would say, thank you, right? So every time, so this ice cream time here would change to Hiya Tori time, your case. Okay, so this is your second step. Second step, I'm going to ask you. So quiz, last में quiz होने वाला है, याद रखना. Second step, making a room. For your mistakes, have mistakes. It's okay to do mistakes. And the third part is dream big. I know every one of us, you all of you would be doing that. You people are dreaming big. Again, एक example share करना चाहती हूँ. So my dream is, okay, this is a secret, don't tell it to anybody. My secret is that I also want to be a speaker in TEDx. So मुझे भी कभी अपनी life में कुछ बड़ा करना है. I'm having like this dream of going to TEDx stage and speak. For those of you who don't know what TEDx is, it's a small organization which is a commercial one. And big, all the big stars and all people who are achievers, they come and they talk and they share their life story. So I also want to do that someday or the other. So वहाँ पर क्या होता है? You have a limited period of time. उस period of time में you have to express yourself also. अपना idea भी share करना होता है, अपनी life story भी share करनी होती है. और you have to be fluent enough and you have to be very engaging. Audience होनी नहीं चाहिए, सबसे बड़ी बात. So अब ड्रीम बिग. अब मैं ड्रीम तो मैंने कर लिया कि हाँ भाई मैं तो TEDx में जाने वाली हूँ, मैं TEDx में जाऊंगी. But if I'm not practicing and someday, God gives me this, okay, tathastu beta, go. So what will I do then? मतलब TEDx से मुझे आ गया proposal. अब ना मैंने अपनी फ्लुएंसी इंप्रूव की, ना मैंने अपने एक्सप्रेशंस इंप्रूव किए, ना मैं प्रैक्टिस की. अब वहां जाके एकदम से बोलना है, 2 दिन रट्टा मार के जाओ और जाके बोल दो. That's one option. The other option is that the moment I started dreaming, so I've started dreaming. I'm sure आप लोगों के भी बहुत सारे dreams हैं. Start practicing for that dream. Start preparing for that dream. Believe me, when I was 15, I guess, then I started, to have this ambition building in mind, because 15 years में, your teacher starts asking you, अच्छा बेटा 11th 12th में क्या लेना है, and college में क्या करना है, life में क्या करना है. So that's the time when you start having these jolts कि यार क्या करने वाले हम. So that was the time I realized I want to go into journalism. Now journalism तो सोच लिया, रिपोर्टर बनना है जी, कारगिल जाके उस टाइम पे, because Kargil was into news, and Barkha Dutt, she went on to cover the whole war. So I was like, मैंने भी जाना है और मैंने भी जाके माइक पकड़ के वॉर के बीच में रिपोर्टिंग करनी है. And I realized, बेटा कैसे जाओगे? I'm too shy. I'm an introvert. I don't like people. I don't like gatherings. I don't like to speak with people. I don't like. I'm so nervous to go onto stage and hold the mic. So बेटा, how do you do that? You're going to face the camera. That's important. So, and then all these family members and everybody said, "Beta, tum teacher ban jao. It's a very noble kind of a profession, and you would love it." So I said, "Fine, let me be a teacher." But teacher के लिए भी बोलना पड़ता है. I don't like बोलना. I just like to feel कि I'm an introvert. Copy pen लेके अपने लिख सकती हूँ, मैं बोल नहीं सकती. So from that day, I had two options. या तो I should sacrifice on these two dreams. चाहे तो मैं रिपोर्टर मुझे नहीं बनना, चाहे तो ड्रीम चेंज करो, चाहे तो change my personality. So I thought, let me try it, and I'm not going to कहीं भी जाओ, कोई भी प्रोफेशन लो, एडिटर भी बनूंगी अगर मैं, जिसमें सिर्फ कॉपी पेन लेके बैठना है, पेपर एडिटिंग करनी है, वहां पर भी पेपर एडिटर्स आर सो फ्लुएंट, they have to speak. What to do? So from that day, believe me, for today's webinar, I've been preparing from the age of 15. So I used to stand there and used to think, okay, how am I going to talk to my kids? How am I going to talk to my students? Be it a 4-year-old, be it a 17-year-old. So उसके लिए ये आज के वेबिनार के लिए मैंने 15 साल से प्रिपरेशन शुरू कर दी थी जब मैं 15 years की थी. So I'm preparing. अब ऐसे ही let's say 5 साल पहले से I started preparing for my TEDx. कभी भी आ सकता है TEDx. I'm so positive enough. So every time you have to be positive enough that your dream is going to be realized very soon. Bhagwan ji is going to just say tathastu, or whatever divine power you are going to आप जिसमें भी believe करते हैं, that divine power is listening, that universe is listening. So your dream is going to come into reality, but उसके लिए prepare करना है. It's not just speaking. It's not just कि अपने speaking के लिए prepare करना है. चाहे वो आपके research work हो, चाहे वो आपका academic based हो, चाहे वो आपका sports हो. So I think every time practice has to be there. So I wanted to give this small little example from this. I heard an interview where this big choreographer, and I'm not going to name the choreographer, but this big choreographer said, I was always an assistant, and every day मैं घर जाती थी और मैं अपने dolls को पूरा गाना rehearse कराती थी. और suddenly one day मेरा जो major choreographer जो boss था, he fell ill, and the director told me कि ma'am, you are the assistant, आपको ये गाना डायरेक्ट करना है एक दिन में. आमिर खान right in front of her, and she says that I have to prepare him. तो वो she said, I went back to my dolls, कि मैंने जैसे अपने dolls के साथ अपने एक गाना picturize किया था with Amir Khan, I did the same. So that that I could relate to that. So that was so similar to what I did. So if people like us can do, I'm sure you people are brilliant students here out there for us. So start preparing for your dream right here, right now, aaj se hi. Then comes the team partner. Now abhi you need people around you. You need things, you need your friends around you जो आपको अच्छी सलाह दे सके, आपके strengths बता सके, आपकी weaknesses बता सके. अब वो कहाँ से लाएंगे? I mean, you already have so many of them, but I know everybody has their own set of like rooms and spaces, and they have their own lives. So who's your best friend? Mirror always becomes your best friend. So the fourth step everyone has to do. अभी हमने क्या किया? अपना confidence boost up कर लिया. Yes, I am doing it. Yes, I did. Second option was हमने एक रूम बना लिया. We are there to make mistakes and learn. It's okay. सबसे ज्यादा mistakes तो I think हमने मैंने इस लॉकडाउन में किया है, when things like this in my kitchen lost its life. मेरे बहुत सारे ऐसे सेट्स खराब हुए हैं, चाहे वो बोल्स हो चाहे वो ग्लासेस हो, because I have these butter fingers and मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें तोड़ी है. So but I realized कि अब पहली बार बर्तन मांजेंगे तो गलतियां तो होंगी ना, so it's okay. ऐसे पहली बार आप इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो गलतियां तो करेंगे, चाहे वो ग्रामर की हो चाहे वो प्रोनाउंसिएशन की हो. It's okay. The second thing, always have room for mistake. Third thing that you need to have you need to have this practice every day practice. अब वो practice कैसे करेंगे? Friend के पास time नहीं होता, friend के साथ और बातें भी करनी होती हैं. Mirror is your best friend. So now the fourth step here comes is find yourself a best friend, and that best friend lies in your room, in your bathroom, and it's in your house out there every time. So make your mirror your best friends, because I think when you see yourself in the mirror na, you realize your strengths, you realize your weaknesses. So आपका mirror जो है वो आपको आपकी weaknesses बताएगा, वही आपको आपकी strengths बताएगा, and then you will realize, yes, I'm improving. And then we'll go to step 1, pat at your back. The first thing, whenever you go, so you see yourself in the mirror, start from the very basic. I know जब हम लोग नया फ्रेंड कोई बनाते हैं, so obviously we take time ना, हम एकदम से तो नहीं कहते चल यार हम बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स हैं, चल अब मैं you start speaking. You take time, you try to introduce yourself. Now this best friend mirror is your best listener. Every time you can't have a good listener with you. ऐसा इंसान कई बार पेरेंट्स के पास टाइम नहीं होता, कई बार कजिन्स के पास टाइम नहीं होता, कई बार फ्रेंड्स के पास टाइम नहीं होता कि आपकी story सुने. You are lucky if you're getting a good listener friend. But this mirror friend is going to be a listener for life. So next time you feel कहीं आपको जाना है, किसी को इंट्रोड्यूस करना है अपने आप को, कहीं किसी से बात करनी है, प्रिपेयर करके जाएंगे ना, तो वो रिहर्सल किसके साथ करेंगे? अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड के साथ. That's the mirror. So I would suggest you कि हमेशा I know बहुत awkward लगेगा, अगर फैमिली ने देख लिया तो और भी awkward लगेगा, वो सोचेंगे ये बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं. Obviously अपने आप से बात कर रहे हैं, शीशे के सामने खड़े होके बात कर रहे हैं, yeah, they've gone mad on what. So it's always start with a very basic thing, a one-liner. Talk to yourself, tell yourself you're going to rock today, you're going to have the best day today, you're going to have a lovely day. Wish yourself all the best. Tell yourself that you are the best. Tell yourself that you love yourself. छोटे-छोटे phrases से शुरू करेंगे, you'll get comfortable, and then go on to a 2-sentence talk, a 4-sentence talk, then and then you will realize there's no stopping. So I am sure फिर आप अपने आप से बातें करते रहेंगे. So अभी आजकल के टाइम पे तो we have this front camera, we have our mobiles, we have our laptops. So they become our best friends. So आप और कुछ नहीं, camera on करके and see yourself. अब हमें जब भी we'll start with the 2-liners. So you will say, okay, hi, introduce yourself to mirror. Obviously, best friend है, नया friend बना. So say, hi mirror, I'm Priyanka. I'm this, and I love doing all these things. Whatever you feel like. I have a dream, yaar. I want to do something. Now there's again this best friend की quality है. क्या होता है कि जब हम इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करते हैं ना, हमारे टीचर्स हमें बोलते थे, बड़े पेरेंट्स भी बोलते हैं, बेटा सोने से पहले थैंक गॉड एंड ask yourself, कोई गलती तो नहीं. Introspection and retrospection कहते हैं when you are thinking whatever you have done the whole day and retrospect करना है, and then introspect करो, क्या मैंने ये ठीक किया, analyze करनी है problem. So अपने आप से बात करो. अब मराठी में अपने आप से बात करो, पंजाबी में अपने आप से बात करो, जिस मर्जी लैंग्वेज में आपने बात करनी है बात कीजिए, फ्री टू डू. सो वो आपका रेट्रोस्पेक्शन इंट्रोस्पेक्शन टाइम है जिसमें आप कंफर्ट जोन में है. बट ये मिरर टाइम जो है, ये जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड टाइम है, पैली टाइम है, you have to speak with your mirror friend in the target language. अब मैं यहाँ पे target language इसलिए यूज कर रही हूँ. आपके केस में वो फ्रेंच भी हो सकती है, कोई शायद स्पेनिश या फ्रेंच सीखना चाहता है, किसी के केस में इंग्लिश भी हो सकती है, तो किसी के केस में हिंदी भी हो सकती है. तो मिरर फ्रेंड के साथ हमने सिर्फ टारगेट लैंग्वेज में बात करनी है, लैंग्वेज आपको डरा रही है. So next time you go to the mirror and say, okay, I am this is my dream. I will keep coming back to you and I will keep sharing things with you. Tell yourself this and go back. The next day, talk about it. अब मुझे पता है 5 दिन बाद मुझे इंट्रोडक्शन देनी है अपनी, तो मैं मिरर फ्रेंड के पास जाऊंगी और मैं बोलूंगी, okay, hi, I'm Priyanka. This is my academics. This is my, this is what I've done in my life. And this is what I want to do in my life. मैंने क्या किया, मैंने वो 5 मिनट की इंट्रोडक्शन रिहर्सल कर ली, रट्टा नहीं मारा, रिहर्सल कर ली और बोल के देख ली. अब मैंने 1 दिन तो देख ली बोल के, मैं ठीक बोल रही थी. सेकेंड डे मुझे फ्लुएंसी का ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. ये सेकेंड डे से मेरा मतलब है सेकेंड स्टेप हो सकता है, शायद ये इसमें बाधा है. That's okay. So you have to make sure कि मेरी फ्लुएंसी अटेन हो गई है. आई थिंक वो एक पैराग्राफ बोलने में, अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करने में ही आपको शायद 15 दिन लग जाएंगे अपने आप को. मुझे तो महीना लगा था. सो आपको आई थिंक 15 days वुड बी मोर देन सफिशिएंट एंड आप उसको फ्लुएंटली बोल सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट वुड बी, जब हमने फ्लुएंटली भी बोलना शुरू कर दिया, उसके बाद हम सोचेंगे कि हमने एक्सप्रेशन पे ध्यान देना है. अब इमेजिन मैं यहाँ पे बैठी हूँ और मैं सिर्फ आपने अपनी पीपीटी पढ़ रही हूँ और मैं बता रही हूँ आपको, दिस इज व्हाट यू सपोज्ड टू डू, ऐसे करना है, ये वाला फर्स्ट स्टेप है, ये वाला सेकंड स्टेप है. नो इंटरेस्ट एट ऑल. सो एवरी टाइम यू सी द एक्सप्रेशन ऑन योर फेस. सो a smile a little. इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हो, इंट्रोडक्शन देनी है, तो अगर इंटरव्यूअर के सामने आप इतनी बड़ी बड़ी आंखें करके और इतने सैड होके बैठ के और इतने डरे हुए बैठ जाओगे, तो इंटरव्यूअर आपको यही कहेगा, सर पानी पी लो, बेटा पानी पी लो, मैम पानी पी लीजिए, you're so nervous. You don't have to show that. हमने मिरर फ्रेंड के साथ रिहर्सल किया है. So have a little smile on your face. Talk with your eyes. These eyebrows, these are the best quality every human being has. So with your eyebrows you can talk, and with your eyes you can tell them, and then eye contact, tell them that you're confident enough. यहाँ से confidence दिखता है. So eyes and your eyebrows, दोनों confidence reflect करते हैं. So just make sure that whenever you are talking to somebody, have a little eye contact with them, talk with expressions and talk with smile, and you will feel that the other person is enjoying. At least वो और कुछ नहीं तो they are enjoying, they're listening to you. Attention भी तो grab नहीं है ना, अगर seriously expression is the third step. Fluency is the second step. Expression is the third step. So you have to make sure कि आप अपने expressions के साथ बोले, अपने mirror friend को भी interesting तरीके से बात करें, right? The next is thrive. Yes, keep on talking, which I said. Not everyone is going to be there to cheer you up, right? I have a wonderful audience in front of me. They're smiling back at me. They are reacting to my things, and they are giving me this motivation. Not everybody is going to be like that. I mean, there are a lot of people who are going to be critical. There are a lot of people who are going to boo you down. They are going to say, "नहीं नहीं, हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा." So, who is there to cheer you up? Your friend, your best friend. He's out there to cheer you up every day, every time. So every time, if you want to sulk, anytime you feel कुछ गलत हुआ है, go and talk to your mirror friend. This is what happened. Cry with him and you realize that you have taken up everything, went out हो गया ना, then you'll feel okay. Try this, and I'm telling you, this is a tried and tested formula. किसी गाइड या बुक में नहीं मिलेगा. I mean, वो जो सेल्फ गाइड बुक्स होती है वहां पे भी नहीं मिलेगा, but this is a tried and tested formula, and study shows it, that if you talk to yourself, if you talk to your mirror, you'll find difference in yourself, you'll find improvement in yourself. Then अब next star comes first. अब मैंने बात की क्योंकि इंट्रोडक्शन की बात थी, हमें अपने बारे में सब कुछ पता होता है. सो कई बार हम ऑफ हैंड भी बोल देते हैं. अब मैं कोई नया फ्रेंड बनाना चाहती हूँ. मेरे पास यहाँ पे शैली है, डॉक्टर कनिका है, सिमरन है. I have a lot of people right there in front of me. So I would ask them, okay, let's, I want to be your friend. Let's talk about each other. Tell me something about yourself. So you have things in mind. मैं गुस्से वाली हूँ, मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ, मैं जैसे अब मैं बोलूँ मैं बहुत clumsy हूँ. I have butter fingers. I keep dropping things and I keep shattering things. Then I say I want to be this. That's my ambition. So you have certain things in mind, but कई बार ऐसी content बोलना पड़ता है जिसके लिए you have to prepare. तो उसके लिए हमने हमेशा कभी भी लैंग्वेज टीचर से अभी, बिकॉज आप लोग कॉलेज में हो गए, सबके पास एक जनरल इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट तो होता ही है. सो जब भी हम जनरल इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, so they always tell us it's LSRW, the way you speak, the way you learn the language, right? So learning language में क्या होता है, listening always comes first. So when a baby is born, he listens for 2 years, and then 2 साल में he starts speaking, and then he goes to the school, and then हम उसको letters पढ़ाते हैं. अच्छा baby ये A है, recognize करो, ये A ऐसा दिखता है. Writings come later on, right? So this is how language is learned. Any language, it's not just English, it's Hindi. अगर आप कल को French भी पढ़ने जाओगे, they are going to follow the same method. So, but when you are speaking a language, writing comes first. उसके लिए जैसे अभी के वेबिनार के लिए अगर मुझे बोला जाए कि आपको बोलना है, so I think it will be better that I write things, whatever I want to write down. So I'll jot down my ideas and then organize it, and then I will speak. So mirror friend के पास जाने से पहले भी अगर आपको let's say कुछ बोलना है, किसी टॉपिक पे बोलना है, किसी सोशल इशू पे बोलना है, so you have to make sure that you write things, you write down your ideas and then go on to speak, right? So with your mirror friend, सबसे पहला स्टेप यही करना है कि हमने बोलना, we have to write down things, jot down things first. So yes, next comes which all of us, I mean a lot of students, they also come up with, ma'am words nahi milte, we don't find the exact words, we don't find the vocabulary जिसको आप vocab बोलते हैं. So we don't have the vocab, how do we speak? So always have word associations, always have building up words, always have vocabulary. अब इसको कैसे करेंगे? Like पहले लोग बोलते थे अपने बेड साइड पे अपनी डिक्शनरी साथ में रख लो, एंड उसके बाद you have to keep on reading the dictionary 5 words every day. उसके मीनिंग याद कर लो, उसकी यूजेज याद कर लो और वो वर्ड्स याद कर लो. सो अभी हम ए पे पहुंचे हैं. मैंने अभी एक वर्ड यूज किया, थ्राइव. मैंने आपको शुरू में अपॉर्चुनिटी की बात की थी. So I always tell you the seize the opportunity. अब आपने मेरे मुंह से ये वर्ड सुना, seize the opportunity. So अगर आप अब डिक्शनरी रूल फॉलो कर रहे हैं, that 5 words every day, तो seize वर्ड को समझने में, सुनने, याद करने में, मीनिंग में कितने साल लग जाएंगे ना आपको. अभी आप ए के फर्स्ट 5 लेटर पे पहुंचो, एवरी डे आपने फर्स्ट 5 मतलब नेक्स्ट 5 करने. सो एस वर्ड पे seize starts with the word. So वहां लेटर तक पहुंचे, थ्राइव लेटर टी, वहां तक पहुंचने में तो बहुत साल लग जाएंगे. सो हार्ड, प्रैक्टिकली इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल कि आप डिक्शनरी में से सारे मीनिंग्स उठाएं एंड याद करें. सो उसलिए वर्ड एसोसिएशंस बनानी जरूरी है. आई विल कम टू दैट पार्ट कि हाँ कहाँ से लेनी है. सबसे पहले अब मेरा सेशन हुआ यहाँ पे, आप लोगों ने you were so kind to give me such patient hearing. बट कितने वर्ड्स आए मेरी टॉक से? आपने कुछ वर्ड्स नोटिस किए? किसी नया वर्ड लिखा जो आपने शायद मेरे मुंह से पहली बार सुना, और पहले कभी नहीं सुना, या पहले सुना था पर आप भूल गए थे, अब आपने फिर से वो रिफ्रेश कर लिया. If you have, heard any word from my mouth, from my session, write it in the chat box. Bablu sir or Simran. So whoever is having this chat box open, let us see किसने कौन से words use सीखे हैं.
Shelly
Can you
saying
come up with-
retrospection. Dhruv Jain is saying jot down. Monica
Jot down.
Sardana is saying butterfingers. I also got butterfingers, huh? And Dr. Kanika is saying C's. Priyanka is saying clumsy. Akshita is saying palais. Kunjal is saying butterfingers again. This is the new word for me, first time in my
Wow.
vocabulary. And I'm also getting a lot of, because I missed a lot of words.
Wow, very nice. Thank you. Thank you. I think
Darpan
this
is butterfingers. A lot of students. Retrospection and introspection. Thrive. Salvia Sasdeva is saying thrive. Sylvia Sasdeva. So we are getting a lot of responses. Nishtha
Lot of-
Sikri is saying
that's-
thrive. Yeah.
That's so sweet. Thank you for being wonderful audience. That means you were listening to me. मैं bore नहीं कर रही हूँ आप लोगों को. So yeah. So look, आपने अब इतने सारे, अब next time कहीं और butterfingers सुनोगे ना, so आपको शायद एक टाइम के लिए मैं याद आ जाऊंगी. और उसके रिसेशन में सुना था यार, एक वो स्पीकर हमने अटेंड किया था उसका वेबिनार, उसने बोला था हाँ पे बटरफिंगर्स, देख ये वही वाला वर्ड बोल रही है बटरफिंगर्स, ओ क्लमजी ये वही वाला वर्ड बोल रही है, हमने वहां से सुना था. व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर बिल्डिंग अप सिचुएशंस, एसोसिएशंस बना रहे हो. अब अगर बटरफिंगर्स पहुंचने में, आई थिंक डिक्शनरी में शायद you won't find it because it's not a very formal word. So you will have this phrase coming up, and you want to explain something. So imagine that you will never come across such word, but because you are listening and you are seeing, abhi butterfingers ki to pronunciation aisi problem, like word sees, or the word there's one word, some different pronunciation. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम word तो देख लेते हैं, उसकी pronunciation नहीं समझ आती यार ये बोलते कैसे हैं, right? So instead of reading a dictionary, if you will listen to new words and build up situation association, then you'll be able to retain it till a very longer time. अब retrospection को कई लोग retrospection भी बोलते हैं, या pronunciation थोड़ी डिफरेंट होती है. जैसे often word है OFTEN, उसकी pronunciation often भी होती है. जैसे word biology है, हम सारे we have this tendency to say the word biology as biology, right? Bio and logy, but जबकि उसकी exact pronunciation is biology. Like rhinoceros, so tortoise. So pronunciation की problems हो जाती है. अब dictionary तो आपको आके नहीं बताएगी कि pronunciation कैसे बोलनी है. So it's always nice to listen to certain people, listen to these target language that you want to come talk in, and then pick up words from there, put it in your corpus. अब हमारे दिमाग में एक special, हमने एक room अलग बनाया है, एक corpus बनाई है, which is like a bank sort of a thing, जहाँ पे आप ये word with situation, with usage, with pronunciation, you start putting it up there. So word associations important, vocabulary important. I will tell you that how do you have to go about this. Listening, right? So yes, we learned a few words today also. So right, so it's only because you listen and then use them, right? Next time I'm sure आपने सुन तो लिया ये वर्ड, अगर आप यूज करेंगे वो आपकी रिटेंशन पावर, मतलब रिटेंशन स्पैन जो है वो longer हो जाएगा if you will use them as well. So instead of learning a dictionary, start listening to new things. So I think I wanted to share some videos with you, but because of paucity of time, I'm already exceeding my time limit. So I won't be sharing the videos, but I would like to suggest that whatever you like. मैं अगर आपको मैं बांधना नहीं चाहती, मैं कहूँ कि ठीक है, go and watch Bill Gates या Steve Jobs की इंटरव्यू देखो और वहां से वर्ड्स पिकअप करो. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to confine you in anything, right? ऐसा कई हो सकता है कि कई लोगों को एप्पल और स्टीव जॉब्स में और बिल गेट्स में इंटरेस्ट ही ना हो. दूसरी चीज ये होती है, ऐसे कई लोग हो सकते हैं जिनको उनका एक्सेंट ही ना समझ आता हो. So मैम accent तो समझ नहीं आ रहा, हम words कहाँ से pick करेंगे इनके. So whatever field you like, be it sports. So I wanted to go and have give your time to listening to interview by Virat Kohli, by MS Dhoni, by people like Ravi Shastri. So you have Indian speaking in English. और फिर उसके बाद वहां से वर्ड्स पिकअप करो. किसी को बॉलीवुड पसंद है, सो गो एंड लिसन टू सम पीपल्स इंटरव्यू, गो एंड see how Madhuri Dixit speaks, or how other actresses or some director or some choreographer speak, so that जैसे इंडियंस बोल रहे हैं हम उनके वर्ड्स पिकअप कर सके. और फिर वो वर्ड्स ज्यादा देर तक याद रहते हैं. यार ये आमिर खान ने बोला था, ये शाहरुख खान ने बोला था, ये वाला वर्ड, सो ये वाला वर्ड मुझे दोबारा से समझ आ गया. सो this is how you build up associations. Try to do that and try to listen and have this thing. So my teacher, I remember my English teachers used to tell me, हम लोग बोलते थे मैम से, I was exactly like you. So I mean, अगर किसी को यहाँ पर किसी भी पार्टिसिपेंट को ऐसा लगता है यार मैं बोल नहीं सकता या मेरी फ्लुएंसी बहुत खराब है, so believe me, I was the same. So when we used to also ask our teachers कि मैम ये कैसे समझ आएगा कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलनी आ गई है, या मैं कब तक प्रैक्टिस करता रहूं, या मुझे कब लगेगा कि मेरे अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया है. So my teacher used to say, the day you will start dreaming in English, think that you are confident. So just start thinking in English, but also start dreaming in English. And this is very easily achieved. ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई पहाड़ है. So you can easily achieve this, and I'm sure it will work wonders to you. The second thing is, the last year we have with us is reading. So reading will take you to a very higher level. So believe me, अब यहाँ पर भी there is a clause. My students will come up and say, ma'am, रीडिंग हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. आई अंडरस्टैंड. फिर यू विल कम अप विद मैम बहुत डिफिकल्ट बुक्स होती है, इतनी मोटी बुक्स होती हैं. लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम अ वेरी बेसिक, फ्रॉम अ वेरी बिगिनर्स बुक. सो पहले तो हम छोटी स्टोरी बुक्स भी पढ़ सकते हैं. गो अहेड, कैच अ बुक विद ऑफ योर सिबलिंग्स. अगर आपके कोई छोटे सिबलिंग्स है घर में, कोई भी बुक उठा लो, नैन्सी ड्रू की उठा लो. अब तो वी डोंट हैव सच बुक्स, बट go and read a Cinderella story, go and read a Snow White story, any fairy tales you have. If you want to have a better reading, if you feel that you already know this, start from a very basic Indian author who writes in a very uncomplicated, not very complicated language. So Sudha Murthy is one. I mean, I love her books. The way she writes, she creates imagination in your brain, and then she writes in very lucid language. So read Sudha Murthy. There's another good book which you can read, which is Chicken Soup for Souls. So you have different soul. If you're a teacher, you have teacher soul. Then you have if you're a pets lover soul. Then if you are a romantic type, so they're for romantic souls. If you're married, you have couple soul. So बहुत सारी series हैं उसमें. So one basic, obviously that's not from an Indian author, but a very basic English, and you can learn a lot of things from that particular book. These are all books, basic books that I used to read from the very beginning. Start मैंने यहीं से शुरू किया था. Start मैंने एक पतली सी सबसे लाइब्रेरी में जाके सबसे पतली बुक उठाई थी and thought कि let me try. So always try from a very basic stuff. Then उसके बाद go a little higher. Twinkle Khanna has series of books these days. She's a bestseller. She'll apparently become the bestseller. So you can try get hold of her books. अब यहाँ पर problem आती है मैम, books अभी तो नहीं लेने जा सकते. So Kindle version हर book का available होता है जो free of cost Amazon पे है. Go and read these books. Kindle versions are in bulk available. So reading is going to help you use those phrases. अब क्योंकि मैंने कोई वर्ड ऐसा यूज किया है, you know कि मैंने किस कॉन्टेक्स्ट में वर्ड यूज किया. अब आई रिमेम्बर व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू वर्क, उस वहाँ की यूनिवर्सिटी के चेयरपर्सन ने एक वर्ड यूज किया था. उस दिन शी वाज लाइक शी डजंट नो व्हाट टू स्पीक बिकॉज उनके बच्चों ने ना बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया था यूनिवर्सिटी में. एंड देन शी वेंट ऑन द स्टेज एंड शी से वर्ड्स इवेड मी. today I stand here speechless. So I was like, wow, in awe. यार ये word क्या है? Evade कौन सा word है? So I went there. So I checked the dictionary. बहुत सारे multiple meanings थे. But मुझे context याद रहा. कि उनको words, she can't even remember those words. So this is such a nice thing that I remember the whole sentence. And then I can use this sentence anytime I want. And evade का मतलब भी मुझे पता चल गया. So evade का contextual meaning होता है. So I can use this word in different scenario. So I think listening and reading will help you big time, and you will be achievers. So with this, I would like to stop here, and I would like to thank everybody for giving me this opportunity. And before going, I think you already, you followed this, that you need to be, to be good speaker, you need to be great listeners, because you've already heard this many a times कि जब आप बोल रहे होते हैं, जैसे मैंने भी बहुत सारी चीजें बोली, whenever we are speaking whatever we know, but whenever we are listening something new every time. So we all already know this. So try to be good listeners and good readers, and you will work wonders. You will go a long way. Thank you so much for such patient hearing, and thank you for having me here. Over to the host. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sparing your time and giving us such a great knowledge. Thank you so much. We are very, very, very thankful to you. And obviously, हमारी audience भी बहुत खुश होगी और बहुत thank कर रही होगी आपका. Actually, now it's a time to audience. Now it's a time for you, audience. You can ask any question, any queries. You can just type in your chat box, and ma'am will answer that. So now it's your time.
Okay, ma'am, first question is that Sylvia Sasdeva is asking, how can we overcome grammatical mistakes?
Oh, yeah. So one aspect, see, this is because grammar is something which you start from very beginning, right? So, but there are theories and there are methodologies which have integrated grammar now. तो पहले क्या होता था, जब कभी मुझसे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता था ना, ये तो मैं उनको बोलती थी रेनन मार्टिन पढ़ लो, उसमें सारे ग्रामर रूल्स हैं, and all these things. So we don't do that. I don't specifically to my young adults, I don't say this, because grammar पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. You should know the basic tenses, or try to pick up phrases. अब मुझे एक चीज हमेशा याद रखनी है कि did के साथ कभी भी third form of verb नहीं आएगा. I did not wanted this. So you have to take basic rules अपने पास ध्यान में रखो, and when you are listening stuff, take up the full phrase in your head, not just words. So you will realize that your instinct will start working to this scenario, and you will have this sixth sense. Yeah, this is not fitting. So I want, because this is practically not possible that I tell you कि हाँ जी रेनन मार्टिन पढ़ो, grammar rules पढ़ो. So try to inculcate listening in your habit, in your day-to-day lifestyle, and pick up things that people are speaking, and grammar has to be picked up there. From there.
Very, 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 really amazing answer. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next question is very, very important question with everybody right now. The question is how to remain in confidence in public even you made a mistake.
Yeah, see, and how to remain in confidence even when audience is not very cheerful, right? That's
exactly.
Okay. So I told you, this is the second rule, room for mistakes. हमने उस टाइम पे नहीं सोचना. अब public speaking में गलती कर दी, हो गई गलती. It's by mistake. So you are going to remove. One thing is, let's suppose मैंने गलती कर दी, I fumbled, and तो दो steps है मेरे पास. That one, I keep sulking over it, और जो मेरा rest of the scenario है, जो rest of the speech है, जो rest of the जो spoken part बोलना है, जब मैंने उसको मैं वहीं shut down कर दूँ and start crying, and I say, sorry, I can't do this webinar anymore. One part can be this. The other one is this: freeze that memory, put it in that room, and move forward. We'll talk over it, we'll think over it later when the session is going to be over, when you're going to be out of that stage, off the stage.
And
So
question is,
you have to be confident all the time.
yes.
Please.
Question is, in interview, while interviewing and in colleges, we have to speak exact grammar without any error, but we do make that time also. Is it fine? Is it acceptable?
See, it's
That's Sameep
perfect.
Satija. That Sameep Satija is asking this question.
See, to some extent, it's perfectly fine. Even the native speakers don't speak best of the grammars, right? So you don't have to worry about that. अगर 4-5 grammar के sentences इधर से उधर errors हो गए, not a problem. The interviewer is going to assess you as a whole personality and not going to put up you
Exactly.
into this grammar thing.
Ma'am, next question is by Banit Sahota. He's saying, ma'am, though I am fluent in English when I communicate, but when I go to stage, why heartbeat always so go high? Sometimes it can easily be identified. People can easily find out he's under pressure.
Want to tell you here that it's with there are two kind of nervousness. So even I was nervous before coming to to this webinar. So that's called positive nervousness. So you need to have positive pressure that that improves you, that motivates you. That is
Exactly.
a self drive. So it's okay if people can hear you. Just follow the rule that you are a rock star. You're going to go there and you'll be the celebrity for 5 minutes.
Exactly.
For 5 minutes, nobody is going to see anywhere else.
And next question is very, very amazing question. You said we should speak English in dreams. And the question is, Poonam Vyas is saying, I speak English fluent in my dreams, but at the time of speaking, I forget everything. What should I do?
That's so sweet. So I can understand, ma'am. It's perfectly fine if you are speaking it in your dreams. Let's make those dreams reality. And I told you already, start preparing for your dreams. You have already dreamt. You know what are you going to do. So start preparing for
exactly. मुझे हमेशा से, that's Payal Kochar is saying, मुझे हमेशा से tenses की problem रहती है. टेंसेस रूल जितने मर्जी स्टडी कर ले, बट जब अप्लाई करने की बात आती है स्पीकिंग में तो नहीं हो पाते. व्हाट शुड आई डू?
क्योंकि आप टेंसेस रूल्स को रट्टा मार रहे हैं, क्योंकि यू आर लर्निंग दोस टेंसेस रूल्स. व्हाई डू यू हैव टू एक टेंस एक रूल एक ही टाइम यूज करना है. सो आज हमने सिर्फ प्रेजेंट सिंपल ही बोलना है. सो आज आई विल wherever I'll go, whatever sentence I'm going to use, I will say he comes, he goes, he went.
Exactly.
I mean
we become habitual of that.
So you have to practice it and you don't have to learn it. बस अभी यहाँ से शुरू करो. Let's have a new
That's Remelian Martwich is saying, in public speaking, which is more important, content or delivery?
Both, actually. This is a good, wonderful question. Thank you so much for asking. So I think it's आज अगर अभी मैं आपको बोलूँ आप बोलना है आपने ABC करके कुछ भी content deliver कर दिया, and वो सारे लोग after the session would, and you would like यार क्या बोला, कुछ भी नहीं बोला, बस आके गाना सुना दिया या आके अच्छा तरीके से बोल दिया. So delivery is also very important. अगर मैं बार fumble करती रहूंगी, अगर आपको बोला जाए और आप बार fumble करते रहेंगे, so the audience will be distracted. So delivery is equally important, content is equally important. So both of them are important. You have to see that how are you going to mesh it up.
Exactly. Thank you so much. Ajay, आपको आपके question का आंसर अभी मिल गया होगा मैम ने, so I will not speak your question. Monica Sardana ma'am is there and she is saying, I have started many books, but I'm never able to finish it. What should be done? It's very easy. I want to answer it, ma'am. Yes. In the world, 96% people, when they start reading book, they do not finish it. Actually, book is not made to finish. Book is made to learn. We need to learn from it, not to finish it. Ma'am, over to you, please. What I personally believe I told.
I completely understand. So let's pick up those books which really interests us. So, and then you'll be able to finish it. I mean, thriller utha lijiye koi bhi. Go ahead and read a love story. Nicholas Sparks' ki love stories and there are other love stories, where you want to know at the end. So, I think next year hoega ki aap baki book chhod denge sirf climax padh ke, and then you'll be able to finish the book. So
Yeah, exactly.
start up with that if you try that.
So next question that we have is by Naman Nagpal. Whenever we talk to juniors, it's like be cool, but with respectable seniors, it will be very nervous, huh? What the ways to go fluent with seniors in a respectable social personality?
See, one important thing that I want to hear, uh, emphasize is then when you are speaking with juniors, you have a different set of language. But because formal language आ जाती है when you're speaking with seniors, so उसमें क्या होता है that you try to you just have to make sure that you're using such language, because we are not into using the such language because हम अपने friends से ज़्यादा बात करते हैं. So again, the mirror friend is out there to help you. Why don't you rehearse before going and talking to your seniors?
We have a lot of questions, ma'am. I will take last question. Otherwise, we'll have to stop because questions are coming very fastly. Last question will take by Bhavya Sikri. And he is saying, sir, in my friend circle, everyone is so good in speaking English. But every time when I start speaking, everyone starts making joke of me and they try to make me feel inferior. I do feel inferior. What should I do?
I understand. I understand. This is a very, I can understand how the situation feels because I've gone through this myself. So it's okay. It's okay. So if somebody is making a joke of your speaking, you need to mend those friends. First of all, you have to talk to them because real friends don't laugh at you. Real friends don't make you feel belittled. So next time, whatever. So I don't know, but this is an image that happens. कई बार people they have this image कि यार इसकी तो pronunciation ही खराब है तो गलत बोलेगा ही बोलेगा, and then you have that set pattern, set image in your mind, and then you say all these things. So I think बच्चे whatever, sorry I couldn't get the name, but you need to make sure that you need to talk to them first and then gain confidence, but don't ever lose confidence. Fine, I can understand that you're feeling inferior, but there's one friend, the mirror friend is out there to cheer you up. So sooner or later you'll be able to speak the way you want, but don't ever let your confidence shatter. So you're a rock star, just feel that way. Fine if some people are better than you. I'm sure there are a lot of people better than me. Uska matlab ye thoda na that I'll stop speaking. So same goes with you. All my blessings and all my affection to you. I hope this doesn't happen. Bablu, you are on mute.
Over to you, Simran, please.
Thank you once again, ma'am. On the behalf of my whole team, Mad Motivation, I'm very happy with this webinar और मुझे बहुत सारी चीजें सीखने को मिली. सबसे बड़ी बात मुझे ये लगा कि we should be proud of ourselves. हम कैसा बोल रहे हैं, मतलब हमें proud होना चाहिए और confident होना चाहिए. मुझे आपके webinar में सबसे अच्छी बात ये लगी. Second, it's okay to make mistakes. I think it's okay. मतलब बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा. So I'm very thankful to you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having me. And would just like to wish everybody all the success, all the best to all the students and participants here. And it was a great audience. Thank you for giving me all your cheers. Thank you.